We are gathered together on this day to witness and to celebrate the marriage of Shereen and Kyle. We come together not to mark the start of a relationship, but to acknowledge and strengthen a bond that already exists.
To my about-to-be wife, Miss Santee, on our wedding day. Marriage is a life-altering commitment where two souls become one. I have been waiting for this day my entire life. I don't know what your dress, hair, or makeup look like, but I know you're going to be breathtakingly beautiful. I have never been so confidently sure about any decision I have made in my life than the one to ask you to marry me. You are the perfect woman for me. Our next chapter is starting, the one where we become husband and wife, and I have no doubts it will be the continuation of an already extraordinary adventure. I promise to love and honor you for all the days of my life. You can consider this a preemptive I do. I'll see you at the altar. Your husband-to-be, Kyle.
My dearest Kyle, for the last 5 years, I've looked forward to the day that I would get to call myself your wife. There's no one else I would want to adventure or make memories with for the rest of my life. Today is the day that I become your wife, and I can't wait to walk down the aisle to you, my heart, my safe space, my home. I'm so excited to see you in a few short hours, to see your smile, hold your hands, and to share with you every vow and promise I will uphold for the rest of our lives. I can't wait to see you, handsome. I love you endlessly. Your bride, Shereen.
Today, I make these promises to you. I promise to grow with you, support you, and always encourage your dreams. I promise to listen to you with compassion and understanding, even when we both think we are right. I promise to be loyal and faithful, and to put you before all else. I promise to weather any storm with you that we may face. I promise to show you for the rest of my life how much you truly mean to me. And lastly, I promise to love you, in good times and in bad, with all that I have to give and all that I am.
I promise to love you unconditionally through your highest highs and your lowest lows, and to always be the one that you can lean on. I promise to choose our love every single day, and to build a life of love, laughter, understanding, and happiness. I promise to learn with you and grow with you, even as time and life change us both. I promise to accept you as you are each day, and I promise until the end of time, I will love you endlessly.
It is my honor to be the first to introduce you to the world, Mr. and Mrs. Kyle and Shereen Santee.
You light up the room, and Kyle, you now know that she can be a one-woman party. I am blessed and am so excited to be along for the ride. I love you both.
Kyle is one of the kindest, smartest, hardworking people I know. May you have a long and happy life together, full of laughs, fun, and love.
Here we are on a day that seemed to have taken so long to reach. I hope you know how happy everyone is for the both of you. We love you both and wish you nothing but the best in the road to come.
They understand what the other is going through, and because of that, their bond is as strong as ever. My brother has met his match. Now they're the ones leaving notes to one another in the kitchen after a long shift at the hospital, and I'm okay with that. More than okay, actually, because I've gained a friend and a sister. Alexandra has gained an aunt, and I could not be more grateful for that. I love you both so incredibly much.